Bamboo is one of the world's fastest growing and most versatile plants. Whether you're interested in sustainable landscaping, creating natural privacy screens, or exploring commercial cultivation for timber or shoots, growing bamboo can be a rewarding and eco-friendly venture. But to harness bamboo's full potential, you'll need the right knowledge and careful planning. In this complete bamboo growing guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from choosing the right species and preparing your land to planting, caring, and harvesting your bamboo. Let's start by understanding what makes bamboo unique. Unlike most trees, bamboo is a type of grass. It's celebrated for its rapid growth, with some species shooting up more than a meter in a single day. Bamboo's extensive root system, known as rhizomes, allows it to spread quickly, stabilizing soil and preventing erosion. Its strong, flexible stems, called culms, make it ideal for construction, crafts, and even as a source of food. With over 1,400 species worldwide, bamboo can thrive in diverse climates, from tropical to temperate zones. Before you plant, it's essential to select the right species for your needs and environment. Bamboo is generally classified into two types, running and clumping. Running bamboo spreads aggressively via long, horizontal rhizomes and is perfect for commercial groves or large landscapes where rapid expansion is desired. However, it can become invasive if not properly contained. Clumping bamboo, on the other hand, grows in tight clusters and is much easier to manage, making it ideal for gardens and small spaces. Consider your climate, soil type, and intended use. For example, Philostachys edulis, or mozo bamboo, is prized for timber and shoots and thrives in temperate zones. Bambusa vulgaris is popular in tropical regions, while Bambusa multiplex is a favorite for hedges and ornamental planting. Once you've chosen your bamboo species, site selection becomes crucial. Bamboo prefers full sun, but can tolerate partial shade. It thrives in well-draining, loamy soils rich in organic matter. Avoid low-lying areas prone to waterlogging, as overly wet conditions can lead to root rot. Prepare your planting area by removing weeds, rocks, and debris. If you're planting running bamboo, consider installing a rhizome barrier, a sturdy plastic or concrete barrier buried at least 60 centimeters deep around the planting area, to prevent unwanted spreading. Now, let's talk about propagation. Bamboo can be propagated from seeds, cuttings, or divisions, but the most common and reliable method is through divisions. To propagate by division, select a healthy, mature clump. Dig up a section containing several culms and a portion of the rhizome system. Replant immediately to prevent the roots from drying out. For large-scale planting, nursery-raised bamboo seedlings or tissue-cultured plants are also effective. Timing is important for successful planting. The best time to plant bamboo is during the rainy season or spring, when temperatures are mild and moisture is abundant. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. Place the bamboo with its crown at ground level, backfill with soil, and water thoroughly. Mulch the base with organic matter, such as straw or compost, to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Young bamboo requires consistent watering, especially in the first year. Keep the soil evenly moist, but not waterlogged. As bamboo matures, it becomes more drought tolerant, but regular watering during dry spells will promote healthy growth. Fertilization is also important. Bamboo is a heavy feeder and benefits from regular applications of balanced fertilizer, rich in nitrogen. Organic compost or well-rotted manure applied twice a year in spring and late summer will support vigorous growth. Pruning and thinning are part of good bamboo management. Remove weak, dead, or damaged culms at ground level each year to encourage new shoots and maintain airflow within the clump. For running bamboo, regularly check for escaping rhizomes and trim back as needed to prevent unwanted spread. Pruning the tops of bamboo can control height and encourage bushier growth, especially in ornamental plantings. Pests and diseases are generally not a major issue for bamboo, but vigilance is key. Aphids, mites, and bamboo borers can occasionally infest plants. Regularly inspect your bamboo, and if you notice signs of infestation, treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Proper spacing, airflow, and sanitation will help prevent fungal diseases like leaf rust and blight. Now, let's discuss harvesting. Bamboo can be harvested for shoots or timber, depending on your purpose. Shoots are best harvested when they are young and tender, about 15 to 30 centimeters tall. Cut them at ground level with a sharp knife. For timber, wait until the culms are 3 to 5 years old, as younger stems lack strength and durability. Harvest during the dry season to minimize the risk of splitting and ensure the highest quality material. Sustainable harvesting is essential for long-term productivity. Never remove more than a third of mature culms from a clump in a single year. This allows the plant to regenerate and maintain a healthy stand. After harvesting, remove any debris and apply a layer of compost or mulch to replenish soil nutrients. Bamboo isn't just a beautiful addition to your landscape. It's a renewable resource with countless uses: building materials, furniture, paper, textiles, and even bioenergy. Bamboo shoots are a nutritious vegetable, rich in fiber and essential nutrients. The plant's rapid growth and carbon sequestering abilities make it a valuable ally in combating climate change and promoting sustainable agriculture. For those interested in commercial bamboo farming, market research is key. Identify potential buyers, whether for shoots, timber, or value-added products, and explore local or export opportunities. Join growers' associations or online forums to connect with other bamboo enthusiasts, share knowledge, and stay up to date on best practices. Finally, remember that bamboo is a long-term investment. While you may see significant growth in the first few years, peak yields for timber and shoots often occur after 5 to 7 years. With proper care and management, your bamboo plantation can thrive for decades, providing continuous harvests and environmental benefits. Whether you're a backyard gardener, a landscaper, or an aspiring bamboo farmer, this remarkable plant offers endless possibilities. By following these steps, choosing the right species, preparing your site, planting with care, providing consistent maintenance, and harvesting sustainably, you'll unlock the full potential of bamboo and contribute to a greener, more sustainable future. Happy growing!